Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you how you can use our Aftership integration feature. So for using Aftership integration feature, first of all you need to have an Aftership account. So I have set up a dummy Aftership account and a TranZact profile in order to show you. So here is my Aftership account. So on Aftership, once you have already created an account, for API uses you need to go in the subscription module of Aftership, or you can go ahead and sign up in free trial and can use it for just 7 days. So first of all, you need to set up an API key. How you can do it? So after going in Aftership, on your left hand side, very bottom, you will see settings option. Please click on setting. Now here you will get an API keys option. Click on this. Now this page will display you to create an API. So in my case, please check, I have already generated an API key. So on your right hand side, you will see create API key. Click on this. Here it will ask for few of the basic details, and accordingly you can go ahead and create an API. So you just need to provide a name. So suppose in my case, I have provided TranZact. Now going below, which API will be used. So for TranZact, you need to use the API key. Going below, you need to select that exactly for what purpose you will use this API. That will be for tracking, returns, shipping, parcel, commerce, organization. After setting up the API key, you will get an API key in front of your screen. So this is the API will look like this. You need to share the API with us on our support chat. So let me come back to TranZact. Right hand side, you will see get help option. Go here, share the API key with us. We will go ahead and get that integrated in your profile in 24 hours. After that, what you need to do, you need to go in transaction module. On your left hand side, you will see transaction module option. Now I have created this dummy OC. So I will open it. Invoice have been created. How I can send my invoice tracking detail on Aftership? So you need to open invoice. On your right hand side top corner, you will get an option of other action. Click on this. Now here you will get an option of dispatch. Once you will click on dispatch, just provide the title, transporter name, tracking number, as these three fields are mandatory. And then after, you can also mention the dispatch date, that is also mandatory. Comment, you can go ahead and use it as per your requirement. Now, after that, you need to select send to Aftership and you need to click on dispatch. Once you will click on dispatch, after Aftership integration, all the details of invoice, the tracking details of invoice will be displayed on Aftership dashboard. From there, you can accordingly go ahead and track the status, track your shipment, and accordingly, you can use the Aftership integration module. I hope this video will be helpful to you while doing Aftership integration. Have a good day.